Welcome to the Soul Commander channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this quick video.
Hey guys, Soul Commander here. I'm just going to do a quick video. I didn't take any video of me doing this. I apologize for that. I was kind of in a rush anyway. I wanted to get it done, but this is a 2007 Dodge Caravan, and lots of times your cowl here, this is called the cowl, lots of times this rubber here will get really brittle against your windshield and it will just break and crack and it'll just be in pieces. And Dodge, Chrysler, they do not replace this with anything. You have to buy the whole new cowl, and it's like in $200, $300, $400 range for the whole thing to get that gasket. But I found on Amazon a replacement gasket that will work, and then some adhesive. It takes a little bit of patience, and maybe another person, an extra set of hands as well, because you want to do it like in 6-7 inches at a time, putting the adhesive on the top of the cowl and the bottom of the cowl, and then hold the new rubber gasket on. This is the new rubber gasket actually. Sometimes you'll need a pull or two to take off these wipers. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that you can see how to do that. Also how to take the cowl off. There's videos on YouTube to do all of that as well. But there is no videos on this gasket replacement at all. And when you get a van that's this old, that tends to break. I did a pretty good job. You can see a little bit of the gasket, the 3M gasket sealer, and this stuff dries very quickly. It gets very tacky very quickly. I recommend doing it outside in a ventilated area as well. I will put the links in the comment section so that you guys can grab what I would recommend using. Also, when you have the cowl off, I have recommended lithium grease as well to grease up your arms in there and stuff, because they are subject to water and they get rusty, and that's just a good idea to lubricate those as well. And again, that's underneath here. You can't see it now, but I will also leave a link for that lithium grease for that as well. So that's all I wanted to do, is just to show you guys what my latest project was here that I did today, and hopefully can help somebody else out too.